So let us study the organs of the United Nations now. Okay, so there are main organs and some special agency of the United Nations. So these are the main organs of the United Nations that work for it. The General Assembly, the International Court of Justice, the Secretariat, the Trusteeship Council, the Economic and Social Council, the Security Council. So these are the organs of the United Nations. Now let us see what do they do or how do they work. So first one is the GA. GA, that is the General Assembly. Now General Assembly has all the members of the UN. So all the members, each and every member working for the UNA. Okay, so it comprises of all the members, therefore it's known as the General Assembly. Okay, so they work for UNA and all the work of UNA depends on General Assembly. It is a unique forum where discussions on various international issues are conducted. So all the issues, all the international issues, all the discussions related to it is conducted in the General Assembly. Okay, so two things you have to remember about General Assembly. First, that it comprises of all the members, okay, and all the work of UNA depends on General Assembly, where all the discussions related to international issues are conducted here. Okay, and they can take any action. General Assembly can also take any action in case of any threat to the world peace. If they feel that there's any threat to world peace, they can take any action. Then second is Security Council, okay, or SC. So Security Council or SC, it works for the or deals with global issues of war and peace. Okay, it has 15 members, 5 which are permanent and 10 which are non-permanent members. Okay, so 5 members are permanent and 10 members are non-permanent. They deal with the global issues of war and peace. Therefore, they are the Security Council. Okay, then the Economic and Social Council. So Economic and Social Council, ECOSOC, Economic and Social Council. It has 54 members in it. It comprises of 54 members, and these members, they are elected by General Assembly for a tenure of 3 years. Okay, the council mainly coordinates between the United Nations and its specialized agency. So I told you that it has some specialized agency. So this Economic and Social Council, it coordinates between UN, United Nations, and the specialized agency. Okay, then next is the Trusteeship Council. Now Trusteeship Council makes sure, or it ensures the administration and development of those areas of the world which were not independent. Okay, so there are some areas of the world which after World War II was destroyed. Okay, so because of their destruction, they were not independent enough now. So this council administers in development of those areas. That is, it helps in the development of those areas which were destroyed during the World War. The next, Secretariat. So Secretariat is the principal administrative department of the UN. Principal administrative department of the UN. It is headed by Secretary General, and it helps in peacekeeping operations. Okay, and to mediate in international disputes, so that there is peace between all the countries and there are no international disputes. So it is the principal administrative department. Then ICJ. What is ICJ? It's the International Court of Justice. Okay, now International Court of Justice, so definitely it's a court. Okay, so it's the main judicial branch where all the, what you say, legal disputes are settled. So if there are some legal disputes, it is settled in this judicial branch. So it's located in Hague, Netherlands. Okay, and it has 15 judges. It has a bench of 15 judges, and its main role is to settle the legal disputes. So these are the main organs: the General Assembly, the Security Council, the Economic and Social Council, the Trusteeship Council, Secretariat, and International Court of Justice.